Hello and welcome to Sew and Stack. In this video, I'm gonna introduce you to my Etsy shop, AbaniZ. This is how my shop looks like and I welcome you all to AbaniZ. I'm not like this huge seller or anything, but I've got pretty good reviews on what I sell. I sell handmade nursery and kids items there. This tea set is one of my best and it includes donuts, chocolate chip cookies, sugar cookies and some tea bags. Today I'm gonna share with you how I make plain chocolate chip cookies to sell. Check out some nice reviews I got for these cookies. As I told you, I sell physical products and these are the plain chocolate chip cookies I make. Now let's see what do we need to make these apart from your time. You will need felt in 2 colors, matching embroidery thread, your pattern, wooden stick to use in stuffing, pins and needle, pair of scissors and some fiber fill. This is no special pattern, it's just a circle. You can select the size as you prefer. Pin your pattern to the fabric. And start cutting around it. You will need 2 of these to make 1 cookie. This is a chocolate chip cookie and now we have to attach chocolate chips on the surface. For that, I cut about half a centimeter wide strips from the dark brown felt. Then I randomly cut small pieces from that strips like this, and the size and the shape of the chip is completely up to you. I usually attach 13 to 14 pieces for one side and you'll need about 28 pieces if you are doing the same. Now we have done that, let's start sewing the chocolate chips to the surface. Thread your needle with matching embroidery color and make a knot at the end. Start to sew one by one and I'm using several stitches to secure one piece. These are for kids above age of 3. I still try my best to secure these smaller pieces tightly for safety. I'm using whip stitch to attach these pieces. Basically what you do is you come up close to the edge of chocolate chip piece through both fabrics. Then you go back down at the edge of the chocolate chip piece and follow the same steps again and again to secure the piece. It takes time to whip stitch all these small pieces, but that way these will last longer for your kids to play with. And for people who are wondering why handmade items are expensive, this is why. It takes hours to make these. at least for me. End the stitch using couple of knots at the back of the fabric. Trim the excess thread. Now we have done with one circle, do the same for the other one. Finally, we're gonna assemble two pieces together. Place the wrong sides facing together like this. Select your embroidery thread color matching with the cookie color to blend in. Now we're gonna start to sew around the cookie. Thread your needle and make a knot at the end. I'm using blanket stitch here. Please check out our tutorial on how to do the blanket stitch for that. When you are done with 3/4 of the circle, start stuffing using little fiber fill at a time. You can use the wooden stick for this, or since this is not a narrow space, you can use your fingers as well. Keep stuffing the cookie till you think it's enough and do the sewing along the way. I personally would like these cookies to be a little plushy, so I stuff with more fiber fill. End the stitch. Hide away the thread in between two layers. Trim the excess thread. Now we got our chocolate chip cookie all done. I sell these handmade cookies online. You can do that too, or make few of these to gift for your little one. I hope you'll try this one out. Thank you for watching, and I'll join you in the next video.